You cannot have failed to notice the explosion of interest in all things vegan and plant-based, from alternative sausage rolls to different forms of milk. But what is there for the conscious consumer who wants something vegan in other aspects or everyday parts of their lives? Maybe their technology, for example. Now, we at NueVue have risen to this challenge of how to produce great products that look for the conscious consumer by putting together a new range of phone cases and cases for your tablet that not only protect your phone and look beautiful, of course, but kill germs and clean the screen at the same time. And what's more, as you'd imagine from where I started, PETA approved. I can't tell you how unbelievably proud we are as a little small family business trying to go up against the big boys and trying to do something differently. So what we've been able to do is we move on our journey away from the traditional style. We have a limited run of vegan approved phone and tablet cases. I would be so excited if you could come and check them out. Find the link around this video and I hope to see you there.